Today, I'm going to show you how students can color a digital mystery picture using Easel by TpT. For those of you who are not familiar with Easel, Easel is a digital tool that allows you to easily assign digital TpT resources to your students. Angela here from Custom Classroom, making test prep fun. Mystery pictures are an exciting and engaging way to practice reading comprehension skills. The mystery picture I will use today is a free product found in my TpT store. The link can be found in the description. To complete the mystery picture, you can go to the link if you don't already have this resource, and you'll see on Teachers Pay Teachers that this is a free resource. So all you need to do is click the green button, View to Files. And here you will see that you can do this activity as a printable PDF where you can download it and hand it out in class, or you can assign it to your students digitally through TpT's Easel. So here you click Preview and Assign. And they'll give you a little bit of a tutorial, which you could go through if you want. If not, you can move on to the activity. And here I want to view as student, so you can see how they would actually fill in this activity. And they can zoom in so they can see better for when they're reading. This activity has 3 pages. There's the passages on the first page, the second page, and the third page is where they're actually coloring their picture. So let's look back at the first page here. It says use a pen or highlighting tools to select the correct answer to each question. Circle or highlight the A, B, C, or D. So here in question number 1, the question is asking what garments mean. So I'm going to get my pen tool. I know that this is clothing, B. So question number 1, the answer is B. Well, B colors in yellow. So I know that all the ones on my picture are going to be the color yellow because my answer choice was B. So students then go to their answer page. They can use the pen to color in, which takes kind of a long time, or they can use the square shape tool. So here they would just select the square. They can select the color yellow because that's what they want to color. And I'm going to make a square for the number yellow. Now the cool thing about here is students can just simply copy and paste, and they can paste a bunch of squares, and then they can start to drag them around to build their picture. All right, now the yellow is all complete. So I'm going to go back and look at question number 2. What is the meaning of mirrored? And so here students again will have to select the pen tool. And we know that it's a great number, C. And so students will then go and know that C is green. So we're going to color all the 2's on the paper green. I've got the green. I'm going to find my 2's, which are down here, and students can then copy and paste to fill this in. Now that the 2's are complete, again, they will go back to the next passage to answer question 3 and 4. So now that you get the idea, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so you can see what the finished product looked like. And there you have it. There's the finished mystery picture. This is a perfect way for students to not only practice their reading comprehension skills, but to also be able to self-check as they're working through the problems. If the answers are incorrect, then their picture will not turn out as it is supposed to. So it's a quick, easy way that's fun for them to check their answers. To assign the mystery picture to your students, just visit my TpT store and download the resource for free. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos to help you and your students prepare for state testing.